Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show GCash Accessibility service detected. Please disable it in setting to continue problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, search or find out accessibility setting, click on special function, click on accessibility and scroll down, click on accessibility menu and turn off this option. Go back home screen, tap on hold GCash app, click on app info, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete and click on force stop, tap on OK. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.